What's new at PureNet? For all our document conversion service users, be sure to check out our newly released update for DCS, version 3.15. This update includes updates to our printing support for Adobe Reader DS 2018, improved logon account validation during install to ensure the account used has the required administrative privileges, enhanced logging during installs, especially useful when silent install is configured, simplified security permissions needed for watch folder service and remote client-server conversion, upgraded error recovery and watch folder service, and additional features added to watch folder services run at end success section, including run commands once at the end of conversion, run the command for each individual file, and create output file list. New to Document Conversion Service is our Getting Started series of tutorial videos that will walk you through installation, configuration, and operation of DCS and the watch folder service. In addition, you can find video tutorials for frequently asked questions and advanced watch folder features under the Video Tutorials tab under Document Conversion Service on our website. Document Conversion Service and its associated watch folder service are incredibly adaptable and customizable. Maybe there are features in the watch folder you haven't considered that would streamline your workflow further. You can watch all of our Document Conversion Service tutorials easily via our PureNet YouTube channel. Watch our Document Conversion Service Advanced Watch Folder tutorials to add the extracting of message attachments, the running of post commands, the watching of multiple input folders, the changing of the logon account, and the setup of clustering to your watch folder service configuration. Happy watching!